Hello students, fifth exercise before second Roman completed. Now third Roman. State true or false. First one, cube of an even number is an odd number. Means even number cube of number is odd number. It is false. So we know that, for example, cube of even number, 2 cube what? 8. 8 is a even number. But they said cube of an even number is an odd number. It is false. Next, second one. A perfect cube may be end with 2 zeros. Means we can't find. This is false. Third one. If a number ends with 5, then it cube of ends with 5. Means this is correct only. So cube of number ends with 5. Then it cube number also ends with 5. For example, 5 cube what? 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Here again 5 cube. We can get 5 cube in ends with 5. Means like that. This is true. Next, fourth one. Cube of a number ending with 0 has 3 zeros at its right. Means it is correct only. Means one number, cube of number product, it will get to ends with 3 zeros. That is correct only. For example, 10 cube. 10 having 1 zero. Cube of number having 3 zeros. 1000. 10 cube 1000. Like that. If in case 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Cube of number means 3 times will be. Means again next to 2, next to 2. Like that. It is true. Next, fifth one. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. It may be a single digit number. How we can find? We cannot find. It will be double digit also will be. For example, 8 cube what? It will get to otherwise 6 cube. 6 6 36 36 6. Like that. 2 digit and 3 digit also it will come. Not only single digit. This is false. Next. Sixth one. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. This is false. Next, seventh one. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. We cannot find. How we can guess it? 3-digit number? 4-digit also it will come. So it is false. Next, fourth question. Find the 2-digit number which is a square number and also a cube number. So if it is 2-digit number, square number, and also it will make a cubic number. See this one. Answer. The 2-digit number the 2-digit and square and cubic number. Square and cubic number equal to 64. That number will be 64. How we can write? 64. This is square number. First write square number 64. 8 8 64. 8 into 8. 8 square. So like that. In this 64 number, again we can write cube of number. Got it? Here 64, write square number. Means 8 8 64. 8 square we can write 64. In this 64, again cubic number. So we have to asking same number, it make a square number and cube number. 4 cube we can write. 4 into 4 into 4, we can get 64. 4 cube. Means finally 64 is square number and cubic number. Finally we can write square root 64 equal to 8. And cube of, therefore cube of 64 equal to 4. See this example 15th one. Find the cube root of 4096. In this 4096 do prime factors, means in that LCM use all prime numbers. Why? Because this is prime factorization method. 4096. We can get 3 pairs. Here cube root number means do LCM. We get finally 4096 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, like that. How many pairs here? 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 2's right. Why? Because this is cube root number. Means 3 numbers take one pair. One time we can write like this. In this 3, one time write. In this 3, write another time. Like that 4 times 2. Equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, we can get 16. Means cube root of 4096 equal to 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 to 16. 16 cube we can get 4096. 16 cube equal to 4096. Next one, estimating the cube root of a number. They given this number 9261. Estimating method. Here observe first one 9261. First take one group and second one take another group. Here first one only one digit 9, 261. 261 this is first group. Second group 9. In this first group here 261. 1 is do that square. 1 square like that. First group 261 will be given that units digit of cube root of number, means 1 cube. 261 ends with 1. That cube number 261 whole cube we can write. Here units digit of the 1 cube. We can get 1 only. So that's why here as 261 ends with 1. Its cube root also ends with 1. Means 1 cube we can ends with only 1. So units place of cube root will be 1. Here first group means units place. Units digit will get 1. How it is understand here? Next second group observe. Here 9 is second group. Now take second group, that means 9 take. We know that. So which number between will be? For example 1 cube, 2 cube. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. Here 9. This number is 9. Means 2 cube to 3 cube. 1 cube to 2 cube means we can get only 1 to 8 between numbers. But here second group 9 will be. 9 which number? Which cube of number between will be? 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. 8 and 27 between will be. Means now we know that 2 cube less than 9 less than 3 cube. As the smallest number in that 2 cube, 3 cube. 2 small or 3 is small, 2 is smaller. As the smallest number is take 2. It becomes the tens place of required cube root. Means ones digit we can get only 1. And tens digit smallest number take here 2. Tens digit 2. Ones digit 1. Means finally 21. This is estimating method of cube root finding. Cube root of 9261 equal to 21. How it is understand? Thanks you for watching children. Now this 6th chapter completed, square roots and cube roots. And do subscribe. We'll get more updates. Next class we will discuss 7th chapter, frequency distribution tables and graphs.